In this video, I'm going to show you a really smart way in which you are going to be able to earn money online. It doesn't matter where you guys are from. As soon as you decide to put the hours and you keep being consistent with this strategy, by the way, this is my favorite strategy to earn money online. You're going to have amazing results, but you need to take action as soon as you watch the entire video. This is going to be a full step-by-step tutorial. It doesn't matter where you guys are from. If you are really willing to change your life forever and start earning money online in a really smart way, this video is for you. Hey, hello, my name is Castillo. Welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to show you a full step-by-step tutorial with my favorite way to make money online, a way in which you can actually put the time right now and your business, it's going to be, well, your earning actually is going to be growing. This is going to be like a snowball effect, okay? Because you're going to be earning money as long as the person keep doing this. And there are people in my experience that has been with me for 4 years or more. Okay, so now let me show you everything that we need. The very first thing that we actually need is Google. Okay, that's the very first thing we need. We need Google and we need a business, but we are not going to be creating a business. You can, but we're not going to be creating a business. This is for you to show you like an idea of different business models that are out there who are looking for this. Okay, it's just for you to have an idea. For example, we have baby stores, we have beauty salons, we have bike shops, we have boxing clubs, we have body waxing salons, boutique gyms, and a lot. There are tons of businesses out there. I know, like, if I ask you, like, try to find a business out of your mind, okay, it's going to be difficult. Now that we have the business model, for example, we have green energy business, which is actually amazing. We need to put a location, okay? It can be green energy business in Texas, or we can be more specific, like green energy business in Austin. Okay. In my case, I'm going with bike shops in California. Okay. So we can see that there are people here who are investing money. Okay. How do we know? Because it says ads. So we have these three people who are already investing money because Google is not ranking them. Okay. This is the very first type of business that we can focus on. Second, if we go, and I'm pretty sure that we already do something like this, like if you want to go to a restaurant, okay, or if you are thinking about, having some kind of trip, you are looking hardly on the first 2 pages. Okay, I'm pretty sure that you do that on the first 2 pages, but there are more customers or there are more websites even here. For example, if I click on page 10 on Bike Shops California, you are going to see that there are more bike shops and there are even more pages, but no one's really looked at those sites. Okay, no one's really looked at those sites. So we have those who paid the ads and they're already making an investment. Okay, and from my experience, I can tell you that sometimes this is not really cheap. Okay. And we already have those who are like far away from the listings that no one is really clicking. The third type of business, I'm going to be revealing that in a moment. Okay. I'm going to be revealing that in a moment. Now, okay, we have bike shops, California. Okay. What we're going to be doing, we're going to be contacting these people. Okay. And give them something free that's going to be earning us money. Okay. Even if they don't purchase it. Okay. And if they purchase, you're going to be earning money month after month after month as soon as they keep using it. Okay. It's the truth is that everybody wants to be here on the very first page, and everybody wants to be here at the top. That's the reason why these guys are actually paying for this. As you can see, we have 89 million results. So those are a lot of pages or listings. Okay, these who are the blessed to be at the top, what we call organically, they are not paying. Everybody want to outrank them by using something that we call SEO, which is as search engine optimization. Okay, there is a tool that we're going to be promoting. Don't worry, you don't need to pay anything for this. Okay, this tool, it's called SEMRush. Okay, I'm going to leave a link below so you can actually find this exact page. Okay, SEMrush is an SEO tool that is going to be helping, okay, these people rank on Google. Okay, now we can promote this. If you scroll down, you can click here where it says affiliate program. Okay, and here under affiliate program, this is one that I really like and I really love, because it doesn't matter if they actually pay for the program, or in this case, for SEMrush, you are going to be earning money, because if they decide to take a trial, you're going to be earning $10 just for trialing. If you have 10 people trialing, okay, that means that you're going to be earning $100. This does not cost them anything. Okay, this does not cost them anything, and they are going to be earning money. One cool thing about SEMrush is that you are going to be getting $200 for commission. Okay, $200 is designed to keep. Okay, for every new sale, you're going to be earning $200 per commission. Okay, they do have more than 40,000 tools. Okay, you are not going to be creating content. You are not going to be a paid search specialist. Okay, but you're going to be quote unquote an agency. Okay, you're not going to be providing the service, but you're going to be providing a solution. Okay, so how you can join? You can click here where it says join now, and they already use a platform that is called Impact. I use it for another tools as well, and they are the ones who are going to be providing you the link. They're going to be making sure that they're going to be tracking the links and everything, the payments. So this is a great option. Again, remember that you're going to be earning even $10 every single time someone trial. Who is going to be willing to pay this? Okay, everybody who is already paying to be on Google. Okay, everybody who is already paying to be on Google. Okay, so that means that if you see ads here at the top and ads at the bottom, they're going to be more than happy to give it a try, because they are already investing a lot of money. Okay, so you can contact them. Also, who are going to be other businesses who are willing to do this? Okay, those who are, here on the 10 page, everybody after the second page, and even those who are on the second page, are going to be more than happy to test this. Okay, so you have literally 89 million people who are looking to the solution. How you can do that? Well, first of all, you will need to click on the website, and you will need to grab their contact information. I'm going to show you how you can do this manually, and I'm going to show you how you can do this automatically. By the way, guys, if you're enjoying this content so far, please give me a thumbs up. That's going to be helping me. It's going to be helping my video. It's going to be helping my channel. Also, let me know where you're from, because I want to make sure that I'm going to be creating content that it's available in your area. If you're serious about learning this, check the link in the description. Check the very first link in the description, so you're going to learn more about this. Okay, so now let me go back to the video. So this is the manual way in which you can actually do this. Okay, you go to the website, and you're going to be making sure that you're going to click where it says contact us. And for example, here we have the email. Okay, so you can reach them via email, and you can let them know like, hey, my name is boom, boom, boom. Okay, I actually find your website doing a search on Google, and you can use the keyword. In my case, it's going to be Bike Shop California, but I noticed that you are not on the very first page. So would you mind testing a tool? And you can mention that this is a tool that they can test for free, okay, because they are offering a free trial that is going to help you be on the number one position in Google. Okay, if they agree, you just send them your link, and that's it. That's the only thing that you need to be doing. Okay, remember that you can contact, okay, those who are here at the top because they're already paying with the ads, and everybody who is on the second page and above. Okay, this is a manual way in which you can do it. An automatic way in which you can actually do it, it's by using this tool, which is called Gmap Extractor. Okay, Gmap Extractor is a Google Chrome extension, okay, that you can actually test. Okay, so they're gonna find all the information, so you don't need to be clicking on everybody's link. Okay, again, you can find the link below so you can give it a try. You can try it for free. Okay, you're going to start with 1,000 leads, which is a lot. And after you decide like, hey, I'm earning some money, you can invest with the professional plan, which is 29.39. Well, $29 per month. You're going to have 100,000 leads per day. Sorry, per month. So this is a great way. Remember, you can always start with this free plan, and this is actually a great way to get started. Okay, there's going to be a link below as well, so you can give it a try for free. Okay, what else you can do? Because I want you to be really successful. Okay, you already know that you can promote SEMRush. You already know that you can use Gman Structure. Okay, I told you there is a third type of site or business that we can actually help and we can actually earn money, and is this one, the ones who are here on this step that is called place, the ones who are in the map. Okay, if you go there, okay, and click where it says more places, you're gonna notice that some of them do not even have a website. Okay, they do have a telephone number, but they don't have a website. So you can offer them, a website. And if they do have a website, you can offer them a website as well, because chances are that's going to be outdated. My favorite website builder, it's called Builderall. Builderall, it's an all-in-one marketing solution. And I'm going to give you a link below as well, so you can give it a try for 14 days for free. So that means that you are going to be earning money and you are not going to be investing anything. And as you can see, they do have tons of websites and designs on different niches. So literally, you can actually build a website without any kind of technical knowledge, put all the information, okay? And you're gonna have a good looking website in record time. So this is another skill that you can market, and you can tell them like, hey, you know what? I want to offer you, this service. Okay, I want to offer you this service. I'm gonna be, charging you per month, and you're gonna be earning money over and over and over again. So this is a great way in which you can actually earn money as well, which is actually with Builderall. For those of the websites that do have, they're in aesthetic, they're not good looking, you can offer this, and you can also offer this to those who don't even have a website and they are actually here. Okay, so this is actually a great way in which you can actually, earn money in it. It's a really smart way because you're promoting other people's products. In this case, it's going to be SEMrush. And as long as they keep, paying, in this case, for your fee, to have a website or to have a better landing page, okay, you're going to be earning money month after month after month. And this is going to be like a snowball effect. Okay, there is no technical knowledge required in order to, to edit all these pages on Builderall, and they are really good looking. They are really professional. And one of the things that I like about Builderall is the fact that they give you a 14-day free trial. You can click, you can literally customize this, and you can show them like, hey, this is how your website is going to look like. Okay, if they go ahead and make the purchase, you're going to have a customer for life, and you can pay builder with that amount. So I hope you find this content helpful. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. That's going to be helping me. It's going to be helping my video. It's going to be helping my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to your channel and hit the notification bell. And I see you on the next video.